In the vast and ever-evolving world of search engine optimization, understanding the difference between on-page and off-page SEO is crucial for anyone looking to improve their website's visibility and ranking. And that's exactly what we're going to get into in this video, so let's dive in. So while on-page SEO really deals with your website's content and the structure of it, off-page SEO really focuses on external factors that might impact your site's position in search engine results, or SERPs. And in this video today, we're going to be talking about the intricacies of off-page SEO, its importance, and effective strategies to leverage it for better online visibility. So let's first get a really good understanding of off-page SEO. Off-page SEO refers to actions taken outside of your own website to impact your ranking within search result pages, as we've said before. Unlike on-page SEO, which involves optimizing elements on your website like content, HTML, and site architecture, off-page SEO primarily focuses on building a website's reputation and authority through external means. This includes strategies like link building, social media marketing, and brand mentions. So what's the importance of off-page SEO? Well, the significance of off-page SEO lies in the way search engines, especially Google, rank their websites. Search engines aim to provide users with the most relevant, reliable, and authoritative sources. To determine this, they don't just look at the content of the site, they also consider how the content is perceived by the outside world. A website with high quality backlinks, social media presence, and positive user engagement signals that it's often considered more authoritative and is therefore more likely to rank higher. So let's look at the key components of off-page SEO. First up is link building. This is the cornerstone of off-page SEO. This involves getting other reputable websites to link back to your website. These backlinks act as endorsements, signaling to search engines that other sites find your content valuable and trustworthy. And there's many different ways to build these links, including guest blogging, broken link building, and creating shareable content. So the second key component is social media marketing. While social media really doesn't directly influence search rankings, a strong social media presence can really indirectly boost your SEO efforts. Active engagement on social media platforms can increase your content's visibility, drive traffic to your site, and enhance brand recognition. This can lead to more natural backlinks and improved user engagement signals. The third key component is brand mentions. Search engines consider brand mentions, which is basically your brand being mentioned on other websites, social media, or online platforms, even without a direct link. Search engines consider this in their ranking algorithms. Positive mentions can boost your site's perceived authority and credibility. The fourth key factor is user engagement metrics. Metrics like time on site, bounce rate, and click-through rate can indirectly affect your SEO. Engaging content that keeps users on your page and encourages interaction sends positive signals to search engines. A fifth key factor is local SEO. For businesses with physical addresses, local SEO is a crucial aspect of off-page optimization. This includes managing local listings and directories, gathering local backlinks, and generating local reviews. So implementing these successful off-page SEO strategies requires a multifaceted approach. We want to focus on acquiring high-quality backlinks from authoritative websites in your niche rather than accumulating a large number of low-quality links. You also want to create valuable, informative, and engaging content that naturally attracts backlinks and social shares. You want to write articles for other reputable sites in your industry to gain backlinks and exposure. And you actively need to participate in social media platforms relevant to your audience to increase visibility and brand recognition. And then you want to collaborate with influencers to reach a wider audience and gain credible backlinks. And then you want to monitor your online presence and encourage positive reviews and testimonials. So what are some challenges and considerations about off-page SEO? Well, you have to consider the time and effort. Building a strong off-page SEO profile is a long team effort and requires consistent dedication. You also need to consider the quality. You want to ensure that backlinks come from reputable and relevant sources, which is critical to avoid penalties from search engines. You also need to remember that measuring your impact is pretty hard to do with off-page SEO efforts. So in conclusion, off-page SEO is an essential component of comprehensive SEO strategies. It helps search engines understand how the world perceives the quality and relevance of your website. A well-executed off-page SEO strategy can significantly enhance your website's authority and improve your position in search engine rankings and ultimately drive more traffic to your website. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this. And to stay updated on when we post, hit the bell icon so that you're notified whenever we have a new video up. Lastly, check out these other videos right here because I guarantee that you will like them.